and register to win a boat at the 10th Annual Southern Illinois Boat and Fishing Show, February 3rd through the 5th at the Pavilion in Marion. It's fun for the whole family with live entertainment, fishing seminars, the latest in boats and tackle with free admission and free parking. Bring a non-perishable food item for Williamson County Pantries and register to win a new G3 John boat. Drawing held at 2 p.m. Sunday. Must be present to win. The Southern Illinois Boat and Fishing Show, February 3rd through the 5th at the Pavilion, presented by Visit SI and Illinois Office of Tourism.